Hey, creators! Welcome back to Zubair Creative Studio, your ultimate destination for turning imagination into magic. Glowing star, today, I'm going to show you something incredible: how to create beautifully animated kids' story videos using AI, 100% free. Rock it. Whether you're a content creator, educator, parent, or just love storytelling, this video will blow your mind. Light bulb: you don't need expensive tools, voice actors, or even animation skills. Just your ideas, and AI will do the rest. Brain, stick with me to the end, and I'll reveal a powerful trick that lets you keep creating, even after your free credits run out. Let's start with the heart of your animation, the story. Laptop, computer, open up ChatGPT, the AI wizard that helps you create original story ideas, titles, and even full scripts, instantly. Magnifying glass tilted left, paste the custom prompt I've provided in the video description. It's designed to give you story ideas perfect for kids. ChatGPT will now create fun, unique storylines along with a brief explanation for each. Sparkles, pick the one you love the most. Maybe it's about a brave little dragon or a magical garden. It's up to you. Direct hit, then. Simply copy the story title, tweak the prompt with your title, and let ChatGPT write a complete story. Child, you can even increase or reduce the number of characters to fit your vision. Next, let's bring your story to life. Head over to Magicite AI, link is in the description. Computer, mouse click on Start for free, then go to Sign Up. Now here's a pro tip. To avoid using your real email, open a new tab and search Temp Mail, also linked below. Copy your temporary email, paste it into Magicite, create a password, and click Send Code. Jump back to Temp Mail, grab your verification code, paste it, and boom, your free account is ready. You'll get 300 free coins to start making animated videos. And here's the secret: if your coins run out, just repeat the Temp Mail trick for another free account, no strings attached. Click on Create AI Video. You'll see a few options. Choose Basic Script Mode. Receipt, delete the sample text, and paste the full story you generated earlier with ChatGPT. Mobile phone, next. Select the aspect ratio that fits your platform, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. Globe showing Americas, pick your video language and then choose your favorite style. I personally love the 3D cartoon style, but you can experiment with others like anime or watercolor. Arrow, hit next. Here comes the cool part. Magicite will generate all the characters for your story automatically. Busts in silhouette, just click on Autocast, and like magic, your characters appear, ready for action. Studio microphone, choose Voiceovers. There are multiple male and female options, with different accents and tones. Pick the ones that best suit your story. Brain, once voices and images are generated, click Next to fine-tune the experience. Light bulb, if you want all the story scenes to be animated, you can click Animate All. But keep in mind, this feature may require a paid upgrade. Now let's polish the final touches. You can customize the subtitle style. Change the cover settings. Add background music, just be cautious about copyright. Once everything looks good, choose your desired video resolution and hit Generate. 3 o'clock, wait a moment as your AI magic unfolds, then click Preview to watch your animated story. Inbox tray to download, click Download Video. Or if you only need the artwork, select the Download Images option. Raising hands, and just like that, you've created your very own animated kid story video, completely free. That's it, storytellers. You've just learned how to turn simple story ideas into fully animated videos using AI tools like ChatGPT and Magicite. No budget, no hassle. Direct hit: whether you're building a kid's YouTube channel, making educational content, or just having fun, this method is a game changer. Pushpin, all prompts, links, and tools are waiting for you in the description below. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Zubair Creative Studio for more amazing tutorials. Bell, don't forget to hit the bell icon. We've got a lot more creative AI tools coming your way. Movie camera, now go create your first animated story and let the world see your imagination in motion. Rainbow, until next time, Keep creating, keep dreaming, and stay awesome.